Python lists, access list items, change list items, add list items, remove list items, loop lists, list comprehension, sort lists, copy lists, join lists, list methods. Python lists. My list is equal to, see, inside square brackets sunflower, jasmine, lily, they are called lists. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are tuple, set and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets. For example, this list is equal to inside square bracket sunflower, jasmine, lily. The result here sunflower, jasmine, lily, they are lists. List items. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed, the first item as index 0, the second item as index 1, etc. Ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have defined order and that order will not change. If we add new items to a list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. Note, there are some list methods that will change the order, but in general the order of the items will not change. Changeable lists. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add and remove items in a list after it has been created. Allow duplicates. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. Here we have given some example. Lists allow duplicate values. See, this list is equal to sunflower, jasmine, lily, sunflower, lily. Here sunflower came twice, so it is duplicate. We can do duplicates. When we write the code print list, the result is sunflower, jasmine, lily, sunflower, lily. List length. To determine how many items a list has, use the length function. Here we have given some example. Print the number of items in the list. This list sunflower, jasmine, lily. Print length. Here we have given length operator, length function. So the result is 3. List items can be of any data types: string, integer and boolean data types. List 1. Here is the data sunflower, jasmine, lily. List 2, their integers. List 3, true, false, false. This boolean. See here, sunflower string and its 15793 is integer, true, false, false is booleans. The result you can see here. A list can contain different data types. See, a list with string, integers and boolean values. List 1, ABC, 34, true, 40, male. Here they are integers and also boolean and also here numbers. The result is ABC, 34, true, 40, male. From Python's perspective, lists are defined as object with the data type lists. Class list. What is the data type of a list? Let us see. My list sunflower, jasmine, lily. See, if we want to check its data type, print my list. Here, see here, this is a class list. The data type is class list. The list constructor. It is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. Examples here, using the list constructor to make a list. Note the double round brackets. See here, they are double round brackets. Print this list. The result is sunflower, jasmine, lily. Python collections array. There are 4 collections data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allows duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed, no duplicate members. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered and changeable, no duplicate members. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6, the earlier dictionaries are unordered. When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of the type choosing the right type for a particular data set, and if could means an increase in efficiency or security. Python SS list items. SS list items. List items are indexed and you can access them by referring to index number. Print the second item of the list. If we want the second item of the list, see here, this list giving 1, it will print second item. The first item as index 0. See here, result is Jasmine. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, etc. Print the last item of the list. Sunflower, Jasmine, Lily. When we give -1, the result is Lily. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Return the third, fourth and fifth item. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose, orchid, lotus, tulip. See 2:5. This will return the items from position 2 to 5. Remember that the first item is position 0 and note the item in position 5 is not included. See here, the result is lily, rose, orchid. Note, the search will start at index 2 included and end at index 5 not included. Remember that the first item as index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. This example returns the items from the beginning to but not including orchid. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose, orchid, lotus, tulip =4. This will return the items from index 0 to index 4. Remember that index 0 is the first item and index 4 is the fifth item. Remember that the item in index 4 is not included. See here, the result sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. This example returns items from lily to the end. See here, this list sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose, orchid, lotus, tulip. Print this list 2 is 2. This will return the items from index 2 to the end. Remember that the index 0 is the first item and index 2 is the third. See here, lily, rose, orchid, lotus, tulip. Range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. This example returns the item from rose, that is -4, to but not included tulip -1. See the example sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose, orchid, lotus, tulip. This we have given -4 is to -1. Negative indexing means starting from the end of the list. This example returns the items from index -4 included to index -1 excluded. Remember that the last item as the index -1. See here, rose, orchid, lotus. Check if the item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a list, use the in keyword. Check if sunflower is present in the list. See here, this list sunflower, jasmine, lily. If sunflower in this list, print yes, sunflower is in the flower list. Yes, result is yes, sunflower is in the flowers list. Yes, sunflower is there. Python change list items. Change item value. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. See here example, change the second item. This list sunflower, jasmine, lily. This list one mushroom. See here, sunflower, mushroom, lily. Jasmine change it to mushroom. Change a range of item values. To change the value of items within a specific range, define a list with a new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new values. Change the values jasmine and lily with the values mushroom and lotus. See here example sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose, orchid, tulip. We are going to change mushroom and lotus. The result sunflower, mushroom, lotus, rose, orchid, tulip. They are changed. If you insert more items than you replace, the new items will be inserted where you specified and the remaining items will move accordingly. Change the second value by replacing it with two new values. See here, replacing the values. The result is sunflower, mushroom, lotus, lily. Note, the length of list will change when the number of items inserted does not match the number of items replaced. If you insert less items than you replace, the new items will be inserted where you specified and the remaining items will now move accordingly. See here example, change the second and third value by replacing it with one value. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We are just replacing lotus here. The result is sunflower and lotus. Insert items. To insert a new list without replacing any of the existing values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. See here the lotus as the third item. This list sunflower, jasmine, lily. We have given two numbers. So, here see the result sunflower, jasmine, lotus, lily. As a result of the example above, the list will now contain 4 items. Python add list items, append items. To add an item to the end of the list, use the append method. Using the append method to append an item. See the example, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We use this append method. See here. The result is sunflower, jasmine, lily, rose. Insert items. To insert a list item at a specified index, use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. See the example, insert an item at the second position. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We are inserting rose. See here, sunflower, rose, jasmine, lily. As a result of the example above, the list will now contain 4 items. Extend list. To append elements from another list to the current list, use the extend method. See here, add the elements of tropical to this list. See here, we will just add, the elements will be added to the end of the list. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, tulip, lavender, daisy. Add any iterable. The extend method does not have to append lists. You can add any iterable objects, tuples, sets, dictionaries, etc. See here example, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We are using orchid rose. Here, sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid rose. They are added here. Python remove list items. Remove specified item. The remove method removes the specified item. See example, remove jasmine. Sunflower, jasmine, lily. We are removing, we are giving the remove method. We are removing. See here result, sunflower, lily. Jasmine was removed. Remove specified index. The pop method removes the specified index. Remove the second item. See example, we are using the pop method. Sunflower, jasmine, lily. Sunflower, lily. See here, the jasmine was pop, that is removed. If you do not specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. It removes the last item. Let us see example. Not given any value here. See here, pop is here it is empty. So, last item was removed, sunflower, jasmine. The del keyword also removes the specified index. Here example, remove the first item, sunflower, jasmine, lily. If we give the 0 value, the first item will be removed. See here answer, jasmine, lily. Sunflower is removed. The del keyword can also delete the list completely. Sunflower, jasmine, lily. See, this will cause an error because you have successfully deleted this list. Already we have deleted first. So, it is not there. So, it is showing the error. The list is not defined. Clear the list. The clear method empties the list. The list still remains, but it has no content. See here, clear the list content. Example, sunflower, jasmine, lily. Just we are giving clear method, the entire list was removed. Loop lists. Loop through a list. You can loop through the list items by using for loop. See here example, print all items in the list one by one. Sunflower, jasmine, lily. See here the result, sunflower, jasmine, lily. Loop through the index numbers. You can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number. See here, range, length functions to create a suitable iterable. Print all items by referring to their index number. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We are giving range method using length method. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. The iterable created in the example above 0, 1, 2. Using a while loop. You can loop through the list by using a while loop. Use the length function to determine the length of the list, then start 0 and loop your way through the list items by referring to their indexes. Remember to increase the index by 1 after each iteration. Print all items using a while loop to go through all the index numbers. See the example. See here we are giving length, this list. See here sunflower, jasmine, lily, the result. Looping using list comprehension. List comprehension offers the shortest syntax of looping through the list. See here example, shorthand for loop that will print all items in a list. See here sunflower, jasmine, lily. See here we are giving this in list sunflower, jasmine, lily, the result. Python list comprehension. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. For example, based on a list of flowers, you want a new list containing only the flowers with the letter A in the name. Without list comprehension, you will have to write a for statement with the condition test inside. See here we are given for statement. Sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. This list is sunflower, jasmine, tulip. This is the answer, result. With list comprehension, you can do all that with only one line of code. See here one line of code. Sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid. You have given so only one line. See here. See the result is sunflower, jasmine, tulip. The syntax. New list is equal to expression for item in iterable if condition equals to true. The return value is a new list leaving the old list unchanged. Condition. See here. The condition is like a filter that only accepts the item that value to true. See the example, only accept items that are not sunflower. See here. The result is jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. The condition if x not equal to sunflower will return true for all elements other than sunflower, making the new list contain all flowers except sunflower. The condition is optional and can be omitted. For example, see here with no if statement. Flowers is equal sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. See, new list is equal to x for x in flowers. If you print this, the result returns this sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. Iterable. The iterable can be iterable object like a list, tuple, set, etc. See the example, you can use the range function to create an iterable. The new list print here, say here range function. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4. The entire range was printed here. Result 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same example but with a condition. See here example, accept only numbers lower than 5. See here new list x for x in range 10 if x is lesser than 5. Here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 result is. Expression. The expression is the current item in the iteration, but it also the outcome which you can manipulate before it ends up like a list item in the new list. See your example, set the values in the new list to uppercase. See, to change entire values to uppercase, here the result giving this code, writing this code, the result will be sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip, totally change it to uppercase. You can set the outcome to wherever you like. Set all values in the new list to hello. See here sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. See here entire change it to hello. Hello, 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 hello. The expression can also contain conditions, not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. Return rose instead of jasmine. See here sunflower, jasmine, lily, orchid, tulip. Now it returns sunflower, rose, lily, orchid, tulip. The rose was written here. The expression in the example above says return the item if it is not jasmine, if it is jasmine return rose. Python sort lists. Sort list alphanumerically. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically ascending by default. Sort the list alphabetically. See here this list rose, tulip, orchid, lavender, jasmine. See we are sort method. See here, jasmine, orchid, tulip, rose, lavender. The result is this. Second example, sort the list numerically. See, now we are sorting it numerically. 150, 65, 82, 23. See the numbers are sorted. The result is this. Sort descending. See here, sort the list descending. Rose, tulip, orchid, lavender, jasmine. See, lavender, rose, tulip, orchid, jasmine. They are sorted. Now, sort the list descending. 150, 65, 82, 23. See here, 100 number, here the numbers are sorted. Customize sort function. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key is equal to function. The function will return a number that will be used to sort the list the lowest number first. See the example, sort the list based on how close the number is to 50. See here 50, 50, 65, 23, 82, 100. The result is this. Case insensitive sort. By default, the sort method is case sensitive, resulting in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. See here example, case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result. Jasmine, rose, orchid, lily. See here, orchid, rose, jasmine, lily. Case insensitive sort. Luckily, we can use the built-in functions as key functions when sorting a list. So, if you want a case insensitive sort function, use strong dot lower as a key function, str dot lower. See here, jasmine, rose, orchid, lily. We are giving this key function. This jasmine, lily, orchid, rose. Reverse order. What if you want to reverse the order of a list regardless of the alphabet? The reverse method reverses the current sorting order of the element. See here example, reverse the order of the list items. See here, we are giving a reverse method. The result is lily, orchid, rose, jasmine. Totally they are reversed. Copy lists. You cannot copy a list simply by typing list 2 is equal to list 1, because list 2 will only be reference to list 1 and changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in list method copy. See the example, using copy method, make a copy of a list with a copy method. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. This is a list copy. They are all copied. The result is sunflower, jasmine, lily. They copied. Another way to make a copy is to use the built-in method list. Make a copy of a list with the list method. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. We can also copy by giving list method. See here, sunflower, jasmine, lily. Join lists. Join two lists. There are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest way are by using the plus operator. See here, list 1 is equal to ABC and list 2 is 1, 2, 3. See here, they are all added ABC 1, 2, 3. Another way to join two lists is by appending all the items from list 2 into list 1, one by one. See here, ABC. For x in list 2 is equal to list append x, print list 1. See here, ABC 1, 2, 3. Or you can use the extend method, which purpose is to add elements from one list to another list. Use the extend method to add list 2 at the end of list 1. See here, ABC 1, 2, 3. Now they are added to list 2. The result is ABC 1, 2, 3. Python list methods. List methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on list. See here, by using append method, if you write code like this, the result will be here. If we use clear method, see here, using clear method, all cleared. Using copy method, this is the result. Using count method, the result is this. Using extend method, see here, they totally extended. Using indexing method, see here, it's printed 2. See here, insert method. See, we have inserted tulip inside this. This pop method, rose, sunflower is the result. This is remove method. This is reverse method. this sort method. Hello friends, just pause this video, practice all the methods given in this video and try to get these answers, these results. Okay friends, this is the end of part 12 lists. In the next video, let us learn about another topic, tuples. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.